Hi, I'm Kate. I recently had a breast reduction and lift with the help of Goldfinch Health. So I worked with Kate, one of the nurses at Goldfinch Health, and she made this process seamless. Before surgery, Kate and I chatted, and she let me know that she was going to call my doctor's office and request that we add some items to the anesthesiologist list. I didn't totally understand what she was talking about. I knew enough. I work in healthcare, but talking about medications and what dosage and when somebody should have something is not my forte. And when I walked in for surgery, they told me exactly what she had requested in order to make the pre-op conducive to a quicker recovery on the other side. And she took care of it, and that was the best. That was the best introduction to Kate that I could have had. Another great thing about working with Kate was I could message her on the app anytime during the day. I found myself awake at about 2 o'clock in the morning for the first few nights, and questions would just pop into my head. And rather than waiting until 8:30 the next morning to call my doctor and honestly feel a little silly because my questions weren't completely 100% medical, some of them were a little more emotional, or just comfort level questions, I typed them into the app and Kate would respond to me. I would have a response the next morning when I would wake up. So I would recommend Goldfinch Health for anybody going through surgery, regardless of the level of difficulty. With the help of Goldfinch and Kate, I was able to go through breast reduction and a lift with tubes, without any opioids, without any muscle relaxers. I did it all with ibuprofen and Tylenol. And because of that, I was up and moving in 4 days after surgery. Now, I am 5.5 weeks out post-surgery, and if I had gone the traditional route of opioids and muscle relaxers and napping and laying in bed, I would not be where I am today.